So next is centroid of quadrant of a circle. Okay, so for that let us consider the quadrant of a circle, as you can see here. Okay, of radius r. Okay, the radius of this quadrant is also r. Okay, so let x-axis and y-axis are the reference axis we are going to consider. Then again, in the quadrant of a circle, let us consider a differential segment subtending an angle of, let us consider a sector subtending an angle of d theta. Okay, as shown in this figure. Okay, then again let us consider this AB to be straight, so that this triangle OAB is a triangle. We are going to sector OAB is a triangle, as we have seen in the semicircle. Okay, so by using that same thing, okay, so area of this segment can be equal to half into AB into, okay, so half into AB into this OB. Okay, so which is the radius. Okay, so which is equal to what? Area of the segment can be equal to half into AB into R, half into R into d theta. Because AB is equal to R into d theta and R is radius, so half into R square into d theta. This is area of the segment. Okay, now moment of this area of segment is about the x-axis is equal to half into r square into d theta into perpendicular distance is again CD. Okay, so this is same as we have considered for the semicircle. Okay, half into r square into d theta into 2/3 of r into sin theta. So we get what? R cube by 3 into sin theta into d theta. Now moment of the whole quadrant of a circle about x axis is equal to again what? A into y bar. About x-axis means a into y bar. So a into y bar is equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2. Here we are considering 0 to pi by 2. Why? Because as you can see, okay, so this is 0. Okay, from 0 to this quadrant of a circle is up to 90 degree. So this is 90 degree, as you can see. Okay, from 0 to 90 degree. Okay, hence 0 to pi by 2 we are considering the limits. Okay, so therefore a into y bar is equal to 0 to pi by 2 r cube by 3 into sin theta into d theta. Okay, so now you need to simplify this. A into y bar is equal to, take r cube by 3 outside, sin theta into d theta. Okay, so integral of sin theta is again minus cos theta 0 to pi by 2. Apply the limits. Minus cos pi by 2, minus of minus cos 0, again you will get plus cos 0. Okay, so minus cos pi by 2 plus cos 0, so you will get it as 1. Okay, so you will get the value as 1, hence it is equal to r cube, 1 into r cube by 3. Okay, so therefore y bar is equal to r cube by 3 into, take this area this side, pi r square by 4, since it is a quadrant, divided by 4, which is equal to 4r divided by 3 pi. Okay, so the value of centroidal distance from x-axis y bar is of a quadrant of a circle is equal to 4r by 3 pi. Okay, similarly the moment of the segment about the y-axis, if we consider it along the y-axis, it is equal to r cube by 3 into cos theta into d theta. Okay, so moment of this quadrant of whole quadrant circle about y-axis is equal to again 0 to pi by 2 r cube by 3 cos theta into d theta. Okay, simplify this equation. So this will be equal to a into x bar now, because we are taking about the y-axis. we are taking about the y-axis, hence it is equal to a into x bar. Okay, so take r cube by 3 outside. Integral of cos theta is sin theta. So a into x bar is equal to r cube by 3 sin theta 0 to pi by 2. Apply the limit sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. So it is equal to, you will get this value as 1. So therefore a into x bar is equal to r cube by 3 and x bar is equal to r cube by 3 into area is pi r square by 4. So you will get 4r by 3 pi. Okay, x bar is also equal to 4r by 3 pi and y bar is also equal to 4r by pi for what? Quadrant of a circle. For quadrant of a circle.